Hey everybody, it's been 2 amazing years since I became director of Broward County Animal Care. I want to thank you all for your support. We've had increased record adoptions in the last 2 years. We've significantly reduced the length of stay for our dogs here at the shelter, and we've created lots of new programs that are increasing services for the community and our pet registration program. And I invite you to come and join us to continue to build the animal welfare community that Broward County deserves. We are just getting started and we appreciate your support. Broward County Animal Care is a service of the Broward County Board of County Commissioners.